We've been building homes for a number of years, but just the way the economy was, it didn't afford me to build the homes I like. So my homes are usually medium to high end, but they're mostly thought out homes that are healthy homes and, you know, something that you are not going to have to maintain or worry about for years and years and years. So this home has got a concrete floor, and all the concrete has been dyed before it went in, and it's got a grid cut in it at a diagonal, a big 5-foot by 5-foot squares, which looks like big slabs of tile. And it's kind of a taupe color in this home. But prior to that, we have a post tension, which is cables that run like a checkerboard through the house. And they're cinched down to like 40,000 pounds each. And that's kind of like, I've used it as an insurance policy. The concrete will never separate, or concrete always cracks, but this will never ever separate. And then we had welded a cage around the outside edge of this as a big bulkhead. So this home is not one that you're going to have to worry about water problems under it, or, you know, anything, bugs or termites or anything like that. And the floor is the finished product. It's forever. After the plaster goes in, we'll pull it up and we're going to polish it out and grout the floor. So it is the last floor you'll get in this place. It also has radiant heat. So we have 2 zones in the master suite and in the living area. So the nice thing about the radiant is the floors are nice and warm. The temperatures are just different. When you have a regular system, it's all air blowing. So your thermostat's up about 4 feet. And so when it says 70 degrees, it's really only 7 degrees from here up. It's not 70 degrees from here down. And when you're sitting on your furniture, you're below the 70 degree anyway. So with the radiant, which is nice, is it comes through the floor. And so your feet are warm, and it's just different. You don't have to have the thermostat as high. There's no moving parts in it, so you don't have any air blowing, any dust flying around the house. It's quiet. You don't hear any. It's silent. So, you know, in this home also we have HRV, which is a heat recovery ventilation system. So it always has fresh air in the home. And in this day and age of the virus that has been challenging people around America, this home has got fresh air all the time, so it's sucking out all the bad, you know, particles and germs, and putting new fresh air in it all the time. So, and it brings it takes it out and brings it in at the same temperature. It's got a system that it all runs through to bring it back in at the right temperature. So that being said, it's, you know, a quiet, healthy house. And so if you have ventilation fans, let's say you would have over the stove, that would be the only one you would hear. Or in the summertime when you kick on the air conditioning, then you're going to have air blowing around again. But we have, you know, you have filter systems on that. So, you know, that's pretty easy to manage. But you imagine just keeping your house clean. You know, if you're at a regular home, after you dust, you see the dust everywhere on everything again in minutes. So it's really pretty cool not to have any of that floating around or breathing it.